Have you been coughing for days and nothing seems to work? A persistent dry cough can be incredibly frustrating, especially when over-the-counter medicines don't bring relief. But what if I told you that you can fix it naturally, without relying on medication? Did you know that certain home remedies can stop a dry cough faster than some store-bought syrups? Before we dive into these remedies, let's first understand why a dry cough happens. A dry cough can be triggered by various factors, including the common cold, allergies, dry air, acid reflux, or even stress. Unlike a wet cough, which produces mucus, a dry cough is non-productive and often feels scratchy or ticklish in the throat. Environmental factors like pollution or sudden seasonal changes can also irritate the respiratory tract, making the condition worse. Identifying the root cause is the first step toward effective relief, and fortunately, natural remedies can help soothe your throat and stop the cough in no time. If you're looking for a natural way to stop a dry cough, these home remedies can provide fast relief while also supporting overall respiratory health. Honey and warm water is one of the most effective natural cough suppressants. Honey forms a soothing layer over the throat, reducing irritation and discomfort, while its antimicrobial properties help fight infections. Mixing a tablespoon of raw honey with warm water or herbal tea can provide immediate relief. For an added boost, combining honey with lemon juice helps loosen mucus and further soothes the throat. Ginger tea is another powerful remedy, known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Ginger helps relax the muscles in the airways, reducing coughing and irritation. To prepare ginger tea, slice fresh ginger and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. Adding honey and a squeeze of lemon enhances the benefits, providing additional relief from throat discomfort and inflammation. Steam inhalation is particularly beneficial for moisturizing the airways and loosening trapped mucus, which can worsen throat irritation. Simply inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes helps keep the respiratory passages hydrated. For an enhanced effect, adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can help open up the airways, making breathing easier and relieving cough symptoms. Saltwater gargle is an effective remedy for reducing throat inflammation and killing bacteria. It works by drawing out excess fluid from inflamed tissues, helping to clear throat irritation and prevent further infection. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Doing this a few times a day can provide significant relief from persistent coughing and throat soreness. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, a natural enzyme with anti-inflammatory and mucus-breaking properties. This makes it highly effective in clearing the airways, reducing congestion, and suppressing coughs caused by mucus buildup. Drinking fresh pineapple juice or blending it with honey and ginger can further enhance its benefits, soothing throat irritation and promoting faster recovery. Turmeric milk is another excellent remedy, thanks to turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric can help reduce throat irritation and boost the immune system. Mixing a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm milk creates a soothing, healing drink. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption, making it even more effective in combating a persistent dry cough. Natural remedies offer an effective way to relieve a dry cough without relying on medication. These simple yet powerful solutions not only soothe the throat, but also support the body's natural healing process. By incorporating one or a combination of these remedies into your routine, you can reduce irritation, clear mucus, and recover faster. Before we continue to the next tip on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Beyond quick remedies, making small lifestyle changes can help prevent and manage a dry cough in the long run. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids such as warm teas, broths, or plain water to keep your throat moist and reduce irritation. Proper hydration helps thin mucus and soothes the throat. Herbal teas with honey and lemon can be especially effective in calming cough-related discomfort. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, preventing throat dryness that can worsen coughing, especially in colder months or air-conditioned environments. If a humidifier isn't available, placing a bowl of water near a heat source, taking a warm shower, or even inhaling steam can help keep the airways hydrated. Avoid irritants like smoke and strong perfumes, as cigarette smoke, cleaning chemicals, and artificial fragrances can trigger or worsen a persistent cough. Staying in well-ventilated areas and using fragrance-free or natural products can help minimize irritation and reduce the frequency of coughing episodes. Practice deep breathing techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or pranayama to help open airways, improve oxygen flow, and strengthen lung function over time. These exercises not only support respiratory health, but can also reduce stress-related coughing by promoting relaxation and better lung capacity. Combining natural remedies with these lifestyle habits can help you achieve lasting relief from a dry cough. By staying hydrated, maintaining moisture in the air, avoiding irritants, and practicing deep breathing, you can soothe your throat and prevent coughing from returning. Try these simple adjustments to improve your respiratory health and overall well-being. While home remedies can help relieve a dry cough, some symptoms may indicate a more serious underlying condition. If your cough lasts over 3 weeks without improvement, it could be due to an infection, asthma, acid reflux, or even chronic bronchitis. A doctor can diagnose the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment to prevent complications. Coughing up blood or experiencing shortness of breath requires immediate medical attention, as these symptoms could indicate lung infections, tuberculosis, or other serious respiratory conditions. A persistent fever, chest pain, night sweats, or unexplained weight loss may signal infections like pneumonia or tuberculosis, or even lung disease. And that's it. Now you know the best natural remedies to help soothe and relieve a persistent dry cough. Whether it's honey, ginger tea, steam inhalation, or simple lifestyle changes, these tips can make a big difference in your recovery. If your cough lasts more than 3 weeks or comes with serious symptoms like chest pain or difficulty breathing, be sure to consult a doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching and take care.